What do you want? You want something that's beautiful, you want something that's easy. Melamine is the way to do it. And by the way, if you have a pool, you need melamine if you're gonna be serving family and friends. Well, this is a set of 12. You're gonna get 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 of these bowls that can be used for cereal, they could be used for fruit bowls, they could be used for salads, whatever it is.
Ice cream sundaes, just saying.
So it's a service for 4 people. If you think about it that way, it's $10 per place setting. It's so crazy, crazy good. And your easy pay is just $13.33 to get it home. H257 198 is your item number. We don't have a lot of these to go around.
We don't.
I'll show you right away. The color choices. Definitely pick up 2 sets of whatever you're doing, okay? So if you're getting over here, this is our classic in the confetti.
And this is the full set. So there you see all 4 bowls, all 4 plates, and all 4 salad plates.
Yes, so we have fewer than 700 to go around total, okay? Then we have Hello Yellow.
Love the yellow.
I do love that in the
Isn't
yellow.
that
It's
bright,
really
cheery?
gorgeous.
Yes, looks
fewer than
beautiful.
550 to go around. Patriotic. Fewer than 600. It's the most popular already. By the way, get the tents to go along with these.
And the matching tray, which we're going to show you.
Because that's on clearance.
And then you're all set.
Then right down over here, we have the garden.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to let you see, look at how pretty this is, right? So you got the hummingbird, you got the ladybug, you've got the dragonfly. Only 350 to go around. I just want to also show you inside the bowl, they're decorated as well. Just like all of your favorite things that you love about Temp-tations. Then we have the cobalt blue in the classic. 350, that's gorgeous too.
Isn't that, I love the blue.
Classic came out amazing.
Yeah. And you know what, we did an all over, but then look how we just did the sides on all of the plates
that's really
too. So a lot of interest there. And then we have Palm, which I love.
Palm is last call, so if you want it, please get it. 3 dozen remain.
I was like, when I walked in, I'm like, I can't believe we have any left.
H257 198 is your item number. You know, like everybody, I think, like really good entertainers, recognize that when you have people coming over and you're outdoors and you're serving and everything like that, and they're like, okay, I want my hamburger, I want my hot dog, I want my salad, I want my potato salad, I want my macaroni salad. Nobody wants to carry a heavy plate, right? This is lightweight. If you drop it, you don't necessarily worry about something breaking.
Right? And look how thick it is while you're holding that. Because here's what I want to talk about. Not all melamine is made the same. All of ours goes in the dishwasher. That's been the big knock on melamine.
What?
All dishwasher safe. That is correct.
Whoa.
Right? Just no microwave. But this goes in the dishwasher. So when we talk about melamine, it's not all created equal. So you have the nice thickness here. You have that nice oversized 10.5-inch plate. If this were a paper plate and you had your baked beans and your corn on the cob and your hot dog and your hamburger, it would be a mess, right? It would be caving in the center. Now you also have the dinner plates and the little salad plates as well, or this is your bread plate, whatever you want to use these for. And people have said to me for a long time, I actually give this to my kids, my little kids, when they come over, even in the house. It's beautiful enough for me not to just only bring it outside, but then you have that great silhouette of the bowls as well. And you're getting all, bye Palm, bye Palm.
Goodbye,
you're
Palms.
getting all 12 pieces, but here's the scoop with the melamine.
All right,
We're
so
not
listen,
able to get back into it.
we
don't have any more melamine coming in this year.
I want to let you know, the trays are coming up.
Oh my gosh.
If you want the tray in the Palm, because that did sell out, we still have the tray for you.
16 by 12, so a nice, generous oversize.
And it's $17 and change, that's the clearance price. But here's what I want you to see. Look at how beautiful this table is, right? And of course, all of these things are available at QVC.com, right? So if you're thinking about like, you know, this set over here, or maybe this one right over here, the gazing ball, right? Or right over here, you've got this cute little
planter set.
Yeah, I love this.
Little birdhouse inside there, the beaded runners. You can pop a few pieces here or there and really set a beautiful, we spend so much time inside decorating.
When did you make these?
Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh my gosh,
30-piece flatware set.
Okay, that I'm going for.
Yes.
Over 500 orders placed. I want to show you the choices that we have because they're going very quickly. There's no reorder on this set, and these are the final quantities.
And no more melamine.
Oh, and it's dishwasher safe.
It is dishwasher safe.
That was like the #1 thing that I wanted to know about melamine.
100%. For me, if it couldn't be dishwasher safe and thick like this, I wasn't interested.
Now remember, it's 12 pieces, but it's full service for 4.
Yes.
4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 bowls is what you're getting. Everything that you're seeing here. That one is our classic confetti. 650 remain. If you want patriotic, it is going the quickest, fewer than 500 now in that patriotic. Hello Yellow.
Hello Yellow.
Fewer than 500 in that Hello Yellow. Look at how pretty this is. It's amazing.
Beautiful inside too.
Then we have the cobalt blue. Oh wait, no. Is blue gone? Bo, 300 in the blue.
Almost.
Wait, is garden available? Fewer than 300 in the garden. Okay, they're going super quick. H257-198. You know, we've had big deals and wind spinners and all this fun stuff from Temp-tations this year. If you picked up any of those pieces and you're thinking about like, well, how's everything gonna look all together outdoors? This is the set to pick up because you won't find pieces like this at even your local home decor stores, anywhere.
You were saying $10 per place setting, right?
Yep, for the entire place setting.
For all 3 pieces. When you think about, you can go into almost any store
$3 a piece.
and easily pay $10 for 1 dinner plate. The fact that this is all coordinated, it's how I do our dinnerware sets always. You get all 4 dinner plates, all 4 salad plates, all 4 bowls. You don't have to be finding different pieces to mix and match. Everything's coordinated. And what I love about it, all goes in the dishwasher. So I know we're guilty of all doing paper plates. We spend a fortune on decorative paper plates. We wind up throwing those out year after year.
Yeah.
These are better for our environment,
Yes, they
and
are.
you can wash them.
They're better
which
for
is
your
fantastic.
wallet.
They are better for your wallet.
I threw a holiday party this year, and you know, I had to buy like the little plastic cups.
Yeah.
I spent more money. On those little plastic cups than on a set of these. Right? Like
I
so
get
that's
it.
the thing. So you want to pick up something that you can reuse over and over again. And today you're getting it at an amazing clearance price, less than 40 bucks. They should be $64, right? 3 payments of $13.33. This one is classic in the confetti, 600. Here we have the patriotic, 400. Classic in Hello Yellow, 450. We've got the blue in classic, 250, and then if you want garden, 200 remain in the garden. H257-198 is your item number. Okay, let's go right over here to the trays. 300 trays.